Hello, welcome back. It's Jenny. Come on in, guys. I told you we got this game buy 4 off of 20 scenario we're going to talk about. And you want to know. So like and share the video on your way in because somebody you know wants to know. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet and you're just stopping by, well, after you watch this video, go back and check some of the other videos. You're going to find videos that's going to save you tons of money. And everybody, always scan the videos before Friday. Check those back videos. Go 7 and sometimes even 8 back. Those deals are still relevant in most cases. Okay? So you don't miss nothing. And yeah, if you're busy, go back and check those videos. Check out the comments because my crazy friends, well, they got some deal ideals of their own. And they're always awesome. And they know some things that I don't know. So always read the comments. And feel free to put stuff in the comments. That's what it's all about. Sharing and caring. Okay. Everybody. Oh, including those new folks that just stopped by. Check your subscription. Okay. Make sure you're still subscribed. Make sure your notifications are still on. It is that time. We got to periodically check that because YouTube does stuff. And speaking of doing stuff, they like it if you leave a 3-word comment. Please do that for me. And watch an ad. Let's make YouTube happy with us. Thank you, bunches. All right, guys. Enough with the spiel. Let's get to the deal, right? We're talking about the buy 4 for 20 gain. And we talked about this earlier this week. There is a way around it. And someone said, well, just don't spend $30. Well, you can't help it. 4 of these items is $31, okay? So, the way around it, though, is to get an item that doesn't apply to the 5 off of 30. And that one item is dryer sheets. So, you go to this, buy 4 for 20, click on the items that are available, and you'll find that one of the dryer sheets, 105 count, does not attach to the 5 off of 30. That's the one you're going to pick up, but it does attach to a $1.05 coupon. Make sure you clip that one, okay? It does attach to some fireworks, and the fireworks has a better coupon. But in most cases, those fireworks, I think, may have been on clearance, but they're out of stock. But to scan, it's just all about scanning. So, the buy 4 for 20, we know how to avoid the loophole of having this clipped and the 5 off of 30 clipped now, is by doing an item that just does not attach. So, the 1 dryer sheet and 3 other gain items, okay? Now, right there, like I said, you're at $31. You don't need to go any further. And have your 5 off of regular 25. Paper. I would suggest have a paper. If you got it. If you don't, try your digital. But the bottom line, with this coupon and picking up your 4 items and being at $31, $11 is going to come off. Okay, that's why it's important not to have the 5 off, because you get more off with this deal. And that's going to leave, and $16 is going to come off totally. So you're out of pocket after your $1.05 coupon. It's going to be $13.95. And if you don't have the $1.05 coupon, no big deal. Your out of pocket is going to be $15 for 4 of these gain items. And this coupon also is glitching. You do not have to pick up the 4 dictated items. You can pick up 3 detergents, 3 softeners. But you have to pick up 1 of those dryer sheets that are not attaching to that 5 off of 30. So that is one deal for this. Okay, before we hop into this deal, I need to let you know a glitch update. The Charmin And Bounty Glitch is done if you didn't already know it, okay? Hopefully you already knew it. But that's done, dead. If you check your coupon, you'll see that it's already been fixed. And that's the terrible thing about those type of glitches. They will fix that in a hurry. So when we have those type of glitches, you run and you use all your coupons as fast as you can. So let's get into, well, the rest of our deals. Now this is our next deal. And I'm on my way out the door to work, so I don't have time to go through all these coupons with you. But the coupons are there. All you need to do is go to your coupon section of your app and go to the search bar and type in the product, okay? Now, the Tone body wash for $3.65. If you watch previous videos, you've seen me pick that up, okay? You got a $1.50 coupon coming off of that. That $1.50 coupon has dial on it. Doesn't have Tone, but it's attaching to the Tone products, okay? Or just simply find the $3.65 Tone and scan it. The Palmer lotion for $3.35, we've got a $1.50 coupon attaching to that. Now the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner, 2 for $9. You've got a $4 coupon attaching to that. Now the Truvia sweetener is on sale for $1.95. You got a $1.50 coupon coming off of that. That's almost free. And this is emergency food, guys. This is a sweetener. Okay, it's a good sweetener. It's plant-based. So $1.95. And then an Airwick warmer for $4. And then an Airwick refill for $6.35. Now, if you want to do the Airwick Vibrant, you can do that. Out of pocket, it'd be a few cents more. But you're at $28.30. You're getting $21 off on this transaction, guys. So $7.30 out of pocket for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. That is a winner chicken dinner deal right there. Just a tad bit more than $1 an item. And that's including that L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. Yep. Now, what if we wanted to do both of these transactions? Well, you can do so because you don't have the same things on these transactions. Okay? All you need is one paper 5 off of 25 and your digital 5 off of 25. Or if you got 2 accounts, then you could use 2 accounts. But if you did both of these transactions together, you're looking at an out-of-pocket of $21.25 for 10 items. Now that's a winner chicken dinner. You got your laundry. You got your bathroom, personal care items. Okay? Short of razors. And if you really need them, there's a Schick coupon for $3 off of a $6.95 or a $7 Schick razor. So that would put you right at $25 if you need razors too. So there you go, guys. 2 more awesome deals for my crazy couponing friends. And I hope that keeps you coming back and seeing me. Don't forget to leave me that 3-word comment and watch one of those ads. I truly appreciate it, and I love you bunches. Blessings. And I'm hoping to get you an early activation deal up tonight, so make sure you check before you go tomorrow. Blessings.